It's your girl, Too Much. Yeah.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl,
Too Much.
and I'm back with another video. In this video that y'all gonna see today, I did make an intro video, but it wasn't the way I wanted it to be. So I'm redoing the intro video. But make sure you guys still subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 600 subscribers, so continue to join my family. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your friends, and tell your cousins. Your girl teeth is getting straight as a plate. And enjoy the video, you guys. Let's get to the video. Anyways, my nephew's here, you guys. Let's go see what he's doing. Oh, he's getting changed. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jayla is over there in the back, y'all. And then my mama right there on her phone. Levin, come here. Alright, you guys, so we're about to head to Save the Fair. Finally made it to the fair over here by the mall. You guys, look at him. I think he's happy. He looks scared, but he's happy. He's like, what is this? Let me get it from his point of view. Like this one, y'all. Are you having fun? Look at this one. Me and Jayla decided to get on this ride called Freak Out, and I think Jayla freaking out, low key. You sure?
I'm not ready. I don't want to.
Super scared. Oh my gosh.
I'm not scared.
I saw y'all.
It's always fun. I love that one.
We're gonna get our funnel cake. I bought Oreos.
Run that back. No, we're doing Oreos.
Yeah, run that back. No, we're gonna get 5 Oreos.
Oh, look at Lauren eating that wet brace. Is it too hot for him?
I think it's okay.
He's eating fried Oreos. Oreos is his favorite. So he gets to taste fried Oreos. Say hey to the camera, Chelsea. Hi, look at the video. Hi, cutie. So cute.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Bye. Say goodnight. He won't go to sleep, and that's what I'm trying to get him to just go to sleep. So, guys, so make sure y'all comment, subscribe, and like to this video. Follow all my social media. My Instagram is @lovelucy__. My Facebook is @TooMuchLauren. My YouTube channel is Too Much Lauren. So make sure y'all tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your friends, tell your cousins to subscribe to my channel. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Y'all, also I'm getting sick. Like, my allergies are messing up, so I just really hate this time of the year.